Okay, October 17th, went to put the keys in and I realized I can't find that 800 key. I just, first pull, fired this up. I wish I would have had the camera going. But this thing flies. I'll try to do it with one hand. That's the way it starts. And I noticed that it's missing one of the springs that holds the exhaust down. Bought two of these from the man in Oregon, and by the way, it's in my name, and I sold the other one for $1,800. But the reason I'm selling them so cheap because they all have to be gone. I'm not taking weeks to sell this one, to sell that one. This John Deere, I might put some gas in it and get it going, but they all are reflective of this one. That's the way they run. So this was the only one. I can't remember if I rode it last year. This is one of, I drove and paid $700 for this because I was going to use it as a mint remodel with, it had 125 on it, so I drove it 1 mile. But these big ones just have too much power. They just wheelie. I need to find the key to that. This fires right up. I just gotta find the key. Okay. Anyway, I have all of the other keys. This one I'm gonna keep. It's a little, I don't even know, a 440 or something. I'm going to keep just one of them because I have a trailer I'm going to put it on. But I might fire one more up and I'm going to work. All right, thanks.